guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys really quick how to use a portable dishwasher like I have here. So it rolls and it attaches to the sink, and the reason I want to show you guys this was because when I was growing up in my home, we've never had a dishwasher. And then going into an apartment, we had one, like a normal one that goes below the sink. So I had to learn how to use that, which was really easy. And then my husband, Ben, his mom, my mother-in-law, she had a portable one, and I remember that I was supposed to help Ben do the dishes one day, and I had no idea what I was doing. It seemed really odd to me that you had to attach a dishwasher to the sink. But anyway, so for those of you who don't know how to use one, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that right now. So this is our dishwasher, and it's over here because that's just where we had room for it. So the sink is all the way over there. And I do remember in one of my videos, people were asking me why the dishwasher was so far away, and that's why, because it rolls. So we're gonna have to turn this around and basically push it toward the sink. All of this as close as possible, and then we go around. My husband was trying to fix our dishwasher, that's why that's coming out like that. So then you pull this out and you plug it in, and then the second one is this piece. And this is the part that I couldn't figure out, and the reason why was because there's usually an attachment at the end of your faucet that kind of makes it just look nicer, and that you actually have to twist off so that you can fit this on here, otherwise it won't fit. So then what you do is you pull this down first. You want to make sure that it's attached securely as far as it'll go. You can then release it, and then you put this up. You come around to the other side here, and it's just basically like regular dishwasher. You can just set it for whatever you want to set it to, and that's pretty much it. And then to release it, there's a button right here. Well, there's a button right here to let the water out. Let's release the water. You want to make sure you put the water down. I made that mistake the first time, forgetting that. I released the rest of the water so it doesn't splash back at you. You pull it down and then just pull it off, and that's basically it. I used to keep attaching the attachment back on here, but now I just leave it off because I don't like having to take it off every single time. Alright, so now you guys know how to attach a portable dishwasher. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye!